In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default page in Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. Have you ever opened Google Drive and been taken straight to the home page filled with suggested files and recent activity when all you really wanted was to go directly to your folders? If so, you can easily change your default landing page so Google Drive opens exactly where you want it to. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign into your Google Drive account. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the top right corner of the page and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Google Drive Settings window. Make sure you're on the General tab in the left sidebar. If another section is selected, click General to continue. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the Start Page section. Say in this section, you'll see options for where Google Drive should open by default. Click the radio button next to My Drive to change it from the default home setting. Once selected, click the back arrow or simply close the settings window. Google Drive automatically saves the change, so there's no separate save button required. From now on, whenever you open Google Drive, you'll be taken directly to My Drive instead of the home page, making it easier to access and organize your files right away. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.